Hello everybody, for this video I am going to be making a couple shirts with an Avengers design. I'm going to go over the process of making the shirts and what type of shirts they are later on in the video. But for now we are going to go through the creating the design process. I wanted to create the design with all the different Avengers I could fit in the Avengers word. We're going to see, I play with a couple different design type and finally come to a final product. I hope you guys enjoy. So now that I've gotten the design made up, then I go into printing. First shirt I print on DTF transfer paper and I use the DTF powder. We heat it up for a minute to melt in the powder into the design. We cut the edges around and then we heat press the shirt. The second shirt I am going to be making up is going to be a sublimation shirt. It's going to be on 100% polyester t-shirt with sublimation powder, sublimation ink, and sublimation paper. We print that out, and then sublimation, once it's printed out, it's ready to be transferred onto the shirt and heat pressed right away. So we're going to go through and we're going to make both of the shirts and then we're going to compare them. For the DTF shirt, it's going to be on 100% cotton. So here is the final product. I think that they came out amazing. The only thing is, I think sublimation was able to handle the fine details more than DTF was able to. I think maybe some of the fine details were just too small for the DTF to be able to handle, or maybe it was the cotton shirt. We're gonna have to do some experimenting with polyester shirts and DTF and see if there's a difference. But with the sublimation, it came out brighter, the details showed up better. I love the sublimation shirt. The DTF, it was duller. I didn't see the details like I wanted, which was disappointing. What did you guys think of the design? Which shirt did you like better? Did you like sublimation better or DTF better? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have an awesome day, everybody. Happy crafting.